In conjunction with the unveiling of its new management policy and direction, a few weeks ago, Toyota also disclosed some information regarding its plans for the electric mobility market. By introducing 10 new battery electric vehicle (BEV) models by the year 2026, Toyota intends to increase the present lineup of BEVs, which is expected to result in an increase in annual sales of 1.5 million units. According to Toyota, this new generation of BEVs will double driving range by using batteries with far greater efficiency, while also offering designs and driving performance to set hearts racing. Answer: at Auto Shanghai, Toyota unveils 2 new BZ series models. Want to know more? Let's find out. The US will begin domestic manufacturing of a 3-row BEV SUV in 2025, according to Toyota, which detailed its ambitions for specific markets. The manufacture of the batteries for the SUV will expand, and they will be equipped with North Carolina-made components. To meet the rising demand for battery electric vehicles in Asia and other developing countries, Toyota will start producing battery electric pickup trucks locally by the end of this year and will also introduce a compact battery electric vehicle type. This Toyota Hilux Revo concept vehicle might be the final product. Yes, it seems to be. In a statement about its hybrid lineup, Toyota claimed that it had improved both performance and cost with each succeeding generation. As a result, the price of hybrid systems had decreased to a mere sixth of their original price, and the company claimed that it could now turn a profit that was on par with that of gasoline-powered cars. Toyota also revealed that it is working on the next generation of plug-in hybrids, which would have an EV mode driving range of more than 200 km. The newly introduced Prius has a 13.6 kWh battery pack, and Toyota claims that it has a driving distance of 87 km with 19-inch tires and 105 km with 17-inch tires in electric mode. The next generation PHEVs will see a big improvement from the current Prius, and Toyota says this will be accomplished by increasing battery efficiency to extend the "We will reposition PHEVs as the practical BEV and will work harder on developing this as another BEV option." Regarding China, Toyota indicated that in addition to the BZ4X and BZ3 that were revealed last month, it will introduce 2 domestically produced battery EV vehicles in 2024 that are specifically catered to the demands of the country. In the upcoming years, Toyota will keep adding new models. On the opening day of the Shanghai Auto Show, these 2 cars received their debuts. The BZ Flex Space Concept and BZ Sport Crossover Concept are the 2 models. As a part of the Toyota BZ series, a line of BEVs, the concept vehicles are being created. Out of the 10 BEV vehicles that Toyota intends to deliver by 2026, they will be introduced in the Chinese market in 2024 as 2 models. The BZ Sport Crossover concept is a crossover-type BEV with active and distinctive styling that is being developed in collaboration by Toyota, BYD Toyota EV Technology Company, Limited, BTET, FAW Toyota Motor Company, Limited, and Toyota Motor Engineering and Manufacturing, China, Company, Limited. TMEC, by FAW Toyota Motor, it is intended to be manufactured and distributed. According to Toyota, this model's design philosophy is called Reboot, and it integrates the notion of a change of pace as soon as you get in and start driving. The BZ Sport Crossover concept is being developed with functions that will continue to evolve after purchase, including intelligent features like driver assistance and automatic parking, so that owners can continuously enjoy a most modern car with all 5 senses, according to Toyota. It has also been designed with superior features that offer personal space for the younger customers, or Generation Z. In an effort to appeal to younger customers from Generation Z, the Toyota BZ Sport Crossover concept is the sportier of the 2 thanks to its aerodynamic body, large diameter wheels, and coupe SUV stance. It looks longer and sleeker than the BZ Compact SUV concept from last year, while adopting familiar styling cues such as the hammerhead shark face, the duo tone body, and the heavily sculpted profile. A yoke steering wheel, a digital instrument panel, and a curved center touchscreen are all present in the uncluttered interior. Along with red perforated fabric for the seats, the cabin has ambient lighting, storage spaces, and other features. Toyota claimed that the vehicle includes intelligent features such as driver assistance and automatic parking, and made a suggestion that it might be updated over the air, enhancing its capabilities after the customer has purchased it. The BZ Flex Space concept is the second model that has been unveiled today. It is a utilitarian SUV-style BEV that is geared toward families. It is being jointly created by Toyota, Guangzhou Automobile Group Company, Limited, GAC Toyota Motor Company, Limited, and TMEC and GAC Toyota Motor Company, Limited, is expected to manufacture and market it. This type is intended to be a cozy home, according to Toyota, so that families can utilize it in safety, comfort, and with confidence. The BZ Flex Space concept features a roomy cabin, is simple to operate, has improved safety features, a dependable cruising range, and other intelligent features. In order to make daily living even more joyful, Toyota states that work is still being done on a car that is perfect for families, groups of friends, and couples. With a higher SUV body and a roomier interior, the Toyota BZ Flex Space concept is a proposal geared toward families. Although we don't know the vehicle's dimensions, it is unmistakably bigger than the BZ4X, with a bulkier stance and more aesthetically pleasing appearance. Likewise, it uses a hammerhead shark face without a grille, full-width LED headlamps, and a unique design on the lower section of the bodywork. The transparent panels of the digital cockpit, the light-colored upholstery, the touch-sensitive areas on the center console, and the lit stripes on the dashboard all contribute to the interior's futuristic appearance. The designers wanted to provide families, friends, and couples a cozy home atmosphere while still in the planning stages. Toyota promised ease of use, advanced safety, a dependable cruising range, and various intelligent functions, but withheld specifics regarding the specifications. The good news is that it appears Toyota is finally stepping up its BEV-related initiatives. The Corolla, the Camry, and the RAV4 dominated sales charts in many regions of the world, with the Corolla topping vehicle sales charts globally. This was made possible by the fact that the Toyota brand is still well respected in many parts of the world and that people trust Toyota cars to be dependable. The Toyota BZ4X appears to have arrived in Norway after a delayed start for the manufacturer, which included several recalls. Only the groundbreaking Model Y, which sold 7,436 units, outsold the Toyota BZ4X, which had 1,016 sales in March, as the second best-selling EV in Norway. To capitalize on the Toyota BZ4X's remarkable performance, Toyota should presumably speed up the entry of other models to Norway. When the BZ Sport crossover and BZ Flex Space are ready in China, the business should presumably offer the Corolla-like BZ3 to Norway as soon as possible. They should also add these two new models to Norway in 2024. Similar to how many manufacturers have recently done, Toyota may use Norway as a restart point for its BEV era. Although the transition to electric mobility is going considerably faster than previously anticipated, Toyota shouldn't just stop in Norway. Things in the EV sector currently appear to be moving at the speed of light. Toyota should simply expand the availability of the BZ3, BZ Sport crossover, and BZ Flex Space in as many markets as is practically feasible. Did you fall in love with these two crossovers? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.